In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new spreadsheet using a Google Sheets template. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to sheetsgoogle.com. This takes you to the Google Sheets homepage, where you'll see a clean dashboard of recent files and across the top, the template gallery. The template gallery is your shortcut to professionally designed spreadsheets, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Click on Template Gallery to expand the full list of options. You'll notice it's organized into helpful categories like personal, work, and project management, among others. Each category contains ready-made templates designed for common tasks, such as budgets, to-do lists, calendars, project trackers, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and consider what fits your needs best. Using a template that aligns with your goal is a great way to save time and maintain consistency, especially for recurring tasks. Once you've found a template that looks right, click it. Google Sheets will instantly create a new spreadsheet based on that layout. This new file opens in a separate tab, so your home page remains available in the original tab. The template will already include formatting, headings, formulas, and example text or numbers to guide you. Think of these as placeholders. Feel free to delete sample content and replace it with your own. Now that the new spreadsheet is open, you can edit it as needed. Type directly into cells, adjust column widths, or tweak colors and fonts to match your preferences. If the template includes built-in formulas, try changing some values to see how totals or charts update automatically. That instant feedback helps you understand what the template is doing for you behind the scenes. Before you dive too far into editing, make sure to rename your new spreadsheet so it's easy to find later. Click the file name at the top left of the page. By default, it's usually the template's name, and type a new descriptive title. Press Enter to save it. A clear name makes searching in your Google Drive much easier, especially if you create multiple versions over time. Google Sheets saves changes automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work, and that's all it takes. You've opened Google Sheets, explored the template gallery, selected the right template, begun editing in a new tab, and renamed your file for easy organization. With these steps, you can quickly build polished spreadsheets that are ready to use and simple to customize.